There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 26th of August. I'm James Spann. Needless to say, extremely dangerous Hurricane Laura is the big story. Will be for a while. Let's go right to the upper air look, and we've got the ridge in place here across Alabama, Georgia, Mississippi, and Laura coming up on the periphery of that ridge, up toward the Texas-Louisiana border, Sabine Pass. There's the visible satellite view, and most of Alabama very quiet. We expected that today. We're in some sinking air, subsiding air on the periphery of Laura. For most locations, a partly sunny afternoon. Just a few patches of light rain over the Tennessee Valley. They had some soakers up there this morning, especially in Franklin County. And you can see a few tropical showers in Mobile and Baldwin counties in southwest Alabama, but most of the state dry. Temperatures are in the upper 80s and low 90s. Tuscaloosa, 91. Look at Demopolis at 94. Very humid as well. Of course, on the watch warning map, the focus is on East Texas and Louisiana with hurricane and tropical storm warnings and flash flood warnings as well. Risk of severe storms up north around the upper Great Lakes and also, of course, across Louisiana with Laura coming in tonight. Tomorrow, a risk of tornadoes, isolated tornadoes, over parts of Mississippi, Louisiana, and Arkansas on the east side of the circulation of Laura. For now, we're not expecting any tornadoes in Alabama tomorrow. But north of the state, a risk of severe storms from South Dakota over into parts of New England, including an enhanced risk around New York City and Long Island. Then on day 3, which is Friday, a risk of severe storms for cities like Des Moines, Chicago, Indianapolis, and we note that marginal risk clipping the northwestern corner of the state for Friday afternoon. That's for the possibility of a few isolated tornadoes with Laura passing north of Alabama. We'll talk much more about this in just a minute. This is the expected rain for the next 7 days, and of course the big numbers are across extreme East Texas, West Louisiana, much of Arkansas. Some of the totals there in excess of 8 inches. For Alabama, the amount's 1 to 2 inches for most locations. So let's talk about the tropics. What do you say? First off, the big view. Of course, Laura will talk about that in detail as we go, but we have a tropical wave coming off the African continent, and the Hurricane Center giving that a low chance in their 5-day outlook here, developing down the line as it approaches the leeward of the Windward Islands. Way too early to know if that develops, but just something to watch. But Laura is quite the storm. This thing intensified rapidly over the past 24 hours. The top winds now 140 miles per hour. This is Category 4, getting awfully close to the coast, starting to see a pretty good radar presentation coming off the Lake Charles radar, and we note in the spiral bands multiple tornado warning polygons for parts of Louisiana, west of New Orleans, south of Baton Rouge. That radar capture was at about 2 o'clock this afternoon. But Laura comes in again, Sabine Pass, Texas-Louisiana border tonight is a Category 4, catastrophic hurricane. The remnant circulation comes up to Shreveport, Little Rock, and hangs a right coming across Kentucky. And the surge is just remarkable. The Hurricane Center forecasting a 15 to 20-foot storm surge along and east of the landfall point tonight. And there could be surge inundation up to 30 miles inland, which is just remarkable. This will surpass Rita in terms of strength and magnitude. It's going to be a horrible, horrible ride for Lake Charles and southwest Louisiana. So let's go through the GFS. This is the 12Z run ballot tomorrow at 4. Of course, the dominant player is Laura. Go down to the surface chart. Laura at 4 o'clock tomorrow should be a little east of Texarkana in southern Arkansas. And again, for us tomorrow, I don't think it rains all that much. No doubt we'll have scattered showers around, maybe some thunder in scattered spots in the afternoon, but the better chance of any tornadoes probably west of the state tomorrow. And the high will be close to 90 with a mix of sun and clouds. Now, this is Friday at 4 p.m., and the remnant circulation is over the southern tip of Illinois. And we'll obviously be in a zone south and east of that. And just imagine if this were the cool season when you got a surface low up there. That might set the stage for severe weather. And this is the STP Friday at 4, the significant tornado parameter. And again, you can see some of the values, 3 and 4 units up over the Tennessee Valley. So Nashville down to Huntsville, the Shoals, even down to Jasper and Fayette. We're just concerned there might be a few rotating thunderstorms and maybe a few isolated tornadoes on Friday. So just something to be watching. No problems for the southern half of the state, but Friday should be a mostly cloudy day with a good chance of occasional showers and thunderstorms as very deep moisture is pulled up. Now Saturday, what's left of Laura is over New York, but the deep moisture stays in place. So Saturday will be a mostly cloudy day with rain at times, maybe some thunder. Will it rain all day? No. But if you got something planned outdoors, just plan on occasional showers. And again, there could be a clap of thunder. The high will be in the upper 80s, and really the same thing on Sunday. So the high 86 to 89, more clouds than sun, a few showers and thunderstorms likely. And we stay soupy next week. Here's Monday and here's Tuesday, a front approaching, coming down into western Tennessee, but I don't think it's going to have enough push to make it through here. This is a week from today, Wednesday, the 2nd of September, troughing well to the north. The front hangs up over Tennessee, so we stay kind of muggy with a chance of scattered showers. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, September 5th. Again, broad ridging down here, and that's classic early September weather. Warm, muggy, a few scattered showers and storms. That nice continental air mass over Wisconsin probably not making it down here. It's not quite our time for that. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the GFS Ensemble. The mean between 2 and 3 inches for the next 15 days. Some of the members are in excess of 4 inches. Highs after tomorrow, mostly in the 80s and lows in the 70s. And the latest CPC outlook in the house. This is September 2nd through the 8th. That nice cool air just not quite making it down here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.